Baker, and I'm the founder and owner of Circle 9 Brewing. I was sitting at home, and my wife actually dropped the catalog in front of me, and she said, "Hey, you know, there's a beer program," and I was like, "Okay, I really didn't have any interest in it at that time. Like, I don't really want to go to school," but then I thought about it, and I was like, you know, it might be fun. I mean, you get to drink beer and learn a lot about beer, and I was doing a lot of home brewing at the time. Like, I kind of expected, okay, it's kind of this certificate, we're just gonna go hang out and drink beer, but the instructors were pretty serious. They wanted you to learn the information and digest it, and you would get tested on it. So, you know, you actually had to do some studying, and it was great. I mean, I learned a lot, made a lot of connections. That was one of the big things, is just meeting people in the industry, making connections. Started thinking about the brewery idea, and I started to get really excited about it because as I kind of ran the numbers, I thought, yeah, I think I can do this. And I think the San Diego State program gave me a tremendous amount of confidence. You know, once I learned about the styles and different beers and brewing and the marketing and the sales and the tap system, so I kind of decided during that program that I definitely wanted to do it. Circle 9 is based on Dante's Inferno, and so we kind of frame the beers around that. We make a lot of West Coast IPAs, we make a lot of pale ales, we're gonna make a lot of different styles, we're gonna be making new beer all the time. I definitely would recommend it, especially for people who wanna learn about brewing, just so you're a better home brewer, for sure. If you're interested in Cicerone or just knowing your beer styles better. And then of course, anyone who's thinking of starting a brewery, absolutely.